Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I was invited to do a collab by Ayla Avar. Dory's Dollies and I were invited to make a little dress. She sent us a photo that we will insert here um, and said, pick a dress and redo it. So I got out, they were like 60s, 70s outfits. So I got out my Kinder Blythe and let her participate today. I got to show you the snags I ran into. Uh, I bought a zipper. This is a zipper dress. These were very popular. I did not own one. My parents, oh my God, I can't imagine my parents if I even thought about having a dress like this. They were made with a great big zipper down the front. They were usually pretty tight. I wasn't sure how I could have gone a little tighter on that, but I was worried about the zipper, so I didn't make it too tight in the beginning. I thought until I was sewing the zipper in that this zipper separated, but it does not. It's a stopper um, zipper, but that's okay. You get the idea. The zippers in the dresses were very large, and rather than a zipper pull, they had a big ring. I did have a dress like this later in life, um, and the rings were big enough for somebody to grab and pull, and that was the whole thing. I had a friend that worked at McDonald's in St. Louis County, Missouri, and the McDonald's uniforms for the ladies, for the girls, were actually this type dress. But I thought it looked so cute on my little Kinner. I just love this doll. I have several Kinners, but this one I actually get out and play with and dress and such. I'm looking forward to seeing Ayla and Dory's dresses. Their links are in my title, so go by and see their dresses too. Ayla, this was fun. Thank you for thinking of us, and thank you for this cute, cute collab. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to all three channels.